Hi everyone. Today we are going to do the fourth part of units and measurement. In this part particularly we will focus on significant figures, right? Last class we had done like by knowing units we can find the formula, right? We can derive the formula. Before that we had done principle of homogeneity, right? Before that we had done what? Dimensional formula, right? Big equations we had done. Even we haven't seen those formulas never in life, but still we found that. So today's class we are going to do what? Significant figures. This is really helpful. Like whenever you are doing any precision work, let's consider. Suppose if you are measuring gold, right? There, suppose somebody will say 10 gram, right? Okay, 10 gram cost is how much? 50,000, right? 54,000, 60,000. 10 gram potato, right? Nothing, no cost. Like we can say anybody, like if you go in vegetable shop, they will not even care. See the difference now. Potato 10 gram, no problem. But 10 gram, even 1 gram, 0.1 gram, 0.1 gram is what? Like something around like 1 gram is 5,000, 0.1 gram is 500. Even they don't want to do 0.01 gram, even it is little what? It is 50 rupees or 60 rupees, right? 0.001 gram they can give you an extra 5 rupees. That too is stuff. The thing is what here, how we are measuring things, how we'll do rounding off, those things we are going to see. The practical application of this topic is especially too much when you'll go in engineering and all. So there you will do measurement, right? Especially when you go for mechanical and all, they'll take measurement. So they will now think about of that. You make a cylinder. This in a bike, you will see 4-stroke cylinder, right? There you are making a diameter of something. Right? Even 0.001 mm, if you do mistake, then what? It will not work. It should be whatever the exact it should be, right? There should not be any clearance in between them, right? There should not be any other gap. So there the thing should be what? Accurate. So for those things we are going to do this topic. Mostly the student one who is preparing for JEE and all, they are thinking this topic is easy and let's leave it. But I can give you an assurance, even for NEET or JEE, both the exams used to ask questions from this chapter. Either they will ask you from dimensions or like this measurements, they'll ask you question for sure. NEET and JEE guaranteed. NEET means 100%, 1 or 2 questions will come from here. Easy chapter, scoring chapter, but still the student do not use to study. Things is what? Easy. Easy you don't do, toughs you can't do. Ultimately you will not get marks. Fine. Part of a joke. Let's study what? Significant figures. Significant figures will start with a question. This is what? 3 kilometer. Guys, 3 kilometer we can write 3,000 meters, right? 3,000, not kilometers. 3,000 meter. Oh, 3,000 kilometer we can write as 3,000 meters. 3 into 10 to the power 3 meters, correct. 0.3 into 10 to the power 4 meters, right? It means all are correct, right? Correct. Why I gave this question? This question is correct? No. This all, only one is correct here. Rest all are wrong. If you'll see, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Only correct is what? 3.0 into 10 to the power 3 meters, right? Now you will say why? I will say you, because the significant figures in 3.0 kilometer is 2. In B option, there also the significant figures is 2, so it is correct. Now you don't know what is significant figures. That is what we are going to do. Now you understood what is the importance of 3 like significant figures. Same thing, 3,000 meter is also like 3 kilometer, 3.0 kilometer. We can write it. Even all options should be correct, but no, it is only correct is what here 3.0 into 10 to the power 3 kilometer is only correct. Let's see why it is only 3.0 into 10 to the power 3 meter is only correct. From this question we are starting. I believe at the end of the class you will understand this properly. Even again you will solve this question. Then you'll understand why I am saying this. So significant figures tells us the number of digits in a measured value we are confident of. We are enough confident of that, right? Tells us what? Tells us number of digits measured, number of digits in a measured value we are confident of. More the significant value is, more the accurate is the measurement. As I told you, bold, right? There you will have to go. There is no other go. You will have to go like 0.0001. You have to go till that time, right? Otherwise, even if you give 0.1, then you are giving 500 rupees, bro. You will have to go till 0.001, right? Then you will give 5 rupees, right? Extra. So there you can bear. But 0.01, it means what? 500 rupees you are giving extra. So you can't do that. So more the significant figures, more the accurate measurement is, right? Fine. So let's see. Some rules are there for calculating significant figures, right? All non-zero digits are what? Significant. What is the meaning of that? All non-zero digits are what? Significant. Let's see, guys. If you'll see this, then we can say like 2, 4, 6. How many significant digits are? 3 SF, right? 5, 6, 5, 4, 5, 6. How many significant digits? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 significant. Hope so you guys got it. All non-zero digits are what? Significant. 0 between 2 non-zero digits are what? Significant. It means if the 0 is tabbed between what? 2 non-zeros, like 402 is what? Significant digit is 3. 4002 significant digit is 3. Now initial zeros are never significant. What is the meaning of initial zeros? Initial zeros means 0.00123. So only 1, 2, 3. So 3 significant digits. Right. 0.012. How many significant digits? Only 2. 0.202. How many significant digits? 3. Because it is in between the third zero, second zero, right? 3 significant digits. Now what? Ending zeros or trailing zeros are significant if they appear after decimal. If they appear after decimal, right? Okay. So we can say ending zeros or trailing zeros are what? Significant. Okay. Let's see. Suppose 0.20. So it is what? After what? After decimal. So we can say 2 significant. Got it? Let's take 0.02020. So how many after decimal? This you will not consider. This is the first 0, right? You will not consider this. So this 4 you will consider. That is 4 significant. Hope so you got it. Now there is a question. Find the number of significant figures in 3 zeros. 3.00. And then this. Let's try. You guys think how many significant digits are? Here is how much? 3 0, right? After the digit, and then decimal, and then 2 zeros. Yeah, after decimal, ending zeros, right? After decimal, it's significant. So 4 significant figures. 131000 after decimal. So we can say how many is there? 4 and 2, 6 significant digits. Got it? So by this way we can solve it. Order of magnitude is never significant. Order of magnitude is never significant means 2 kilometer, 2.0 kilometer. If you wrote like 2 into 10 to the power of 3 kilometer, it is wrong. You can't write like this. You have to write 2.0 into meters. Then it is correct. Right? So only significant is what? 2. Here is also what? 2. Means the power significant you will not consider. Got it? So power 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 6, that we cannot take. Pure constant have infinite significance. Example, 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Here, what is the significance? Infinite. That value they calculated, right? You cannot say how much is there, right? Example, you can take more if you want to take side of a square. Side of a square is a square, or perimeter of a square, right? 4a square, right? So we can see a plus a, 4a only, right? So we can see here also the value you cannot say it is significant. Here also infinite significant. So pure constants have infinite significant numbers. Now let's find significant numbers. Let's see, you guys try first, like how many significant digits are here, then I'll solve. Here if you see, then how much? Here is how much? Okay, you guys solve. First let me draw the arrows. Till the time I'll do some work. You guys do by yourself. Yes, you might have solved that how many significant? 1, 2, 3, 1, all are what? So directly we can say 3. 2.120. How many? How many? Till after decimal 0 comes, so obviously 4. 2.0042. After decimal 0 comes, so how many? 4 and 1, 5, right? And then what? 310.00 decimal, like 6, right? How many? Think, tell fast. How many is there? 6. And then here is how much? 5. This one little 3100, ending zeros we will not consider, so 2. 4.20 you'll have to consider because after decimal 3. 0.004 initial zeros you will not have to consider here also, so 1. Yes. While changing units, number of significant should remain what? Same. Number of should remain what? Same. This is important. While you are changing units, the number of significant numbers of significant figures should remain what? Same. What is the meaning of that? Let's take like 1 point example. If you will take what? Let's take 1.5 meter. If you are considering 1.5 meter, then how many significant is digit here? 2, right? So after converting it also, 150 centimeter if you are writing, then how many? 2, bro. Only 2. Yes. So it should remain what? Same. Then it is correct. The conversion is what? Correct. 2 kilometer. 2.0 kilometer. If you consider, if you are writing 200 meter, now significant digit is what? Here is 2, here is 1. You cannot consider this. So if you will consider by this way, 2.0 into 10 to the power of 3 kilometer. As we know, we will not consider the meter if you will consider also, right? As you know that constant, this power will not consider, right? 2.0 is 2. Here is also what? 2. Same. This is not same. So now if you will come to the first question, now you are able to give the answer to this. Hope so you guys got it. Till here we'll see in today's class. Next class we will finish this remaining part of significant figures, and then we'll start the new topic also. See, the main thing is what you guys will also have to do numericals, like whatever the numericals I'll give, or like any book if you have. You solve there. If you have any doubt, you post in comment, you send the photo, I'll solve it, and then we can discuss also. Okay, till this we'll see in the next class. You're feeling sleepy.